square root of 7 to the 4 plus 13 to the 4 plus 20 to the 4 all over 2 is what? So when you are working with numbers, one important thing is to use variables to calculate them if you don't want to raise them to the power of 4. One way is to raise to the power of 4 and add these numbers and then divide by 2 and then calculate square root. But we don't want to use that. 7, 13, 20. What is the relationship between them? If we find the key point is here. Yes, 7 plus 13 is 20. So we consider A equal to 7, B equal to 13, A plus B equal to 20. Now let's consider this one is x. We want to calculate x. So we know x squared, if you raise to the power of 2, 7 squared plus 13 to the 4 plus 20 to the, we want to find x at the end. 20 to the 4 over 2. Then we multiply both sides by 2. It will be 2x squared equal to 7 to the 4 plus 13 to the 4 plus 20 to the 4. Now we want to focus on calculating this part. 7 to the 4 plus 13 to the 4 plus 20 to the 4. If you want to write it in terms of AB, we've calculated here. It's A to the 4 plus B to the 4 plus A plus B to the 4. If you know how to calculate A plus B to the 4, it has a formula. But if you don't know that formula, let's calculate together. You say A plus 4 plus B plus 4 plus... let's find A plus B to the 4 together here. When they say A plus B to the 4, we can say it is A plus B times A plus B times A plus B times A plus B. Now, first let's calculate this part. This A squared plus AB plus BA plus 2AB plus B squared. Also, this part will be A squared plus AB plus BA 2AB plus B squared. Then let's calculate the product of them. If we calculate A squared to all of them, let's see what we have. A squared A to the 4, A squared 2AB 2A cubed B plus A squared B squared plus, if we multiply here, 2A cubed B plus 4A squared B squared plus 2AB cubed. B squared times A squared, it will be A squared B squared plus 2AB cubed plus B to the 4. Now, we say it is A to the 4, finished, A cubed B here, 2A cubed B here, 4A cubed B. Then A squared B, 4A squared B, 1A squared B plus 6A squared B squared. Now 2AB cubed plus 4AB cubed plus B to the 4. Okay, so if you know binomial theorem, we can calculate it easily. So let's write it here. It will be A to the 4 plus 4A cubed B plus 6A squared B squared plus 4AB cubed plus B to the 4. Now let's simplify. We have A to the 4 here, A to the 4. Again here, 2A to the 4. Then we have B to the 4, B to the 4 plus 2B to the 4 plus 4A cubed B plus 6A squared B squared plus 4AB cubed. So it is what? This part, it is 2x squared. Now from here, we can conclude x squared, we should divide both sides by 2 for x squared. It will be A to the 4. Let's write an decreasing order of power of A. This one first, then this one. 2A cubed B. Then this one plus 3A squared B squared. Then plus 2AB cubed. And last one plus B to the 4. You should see this square of what number? For calculating this part, you should know a famous identity. Let me show you that famous identity. For example, let me write it outside of this. So prove y. If you have x plus y plus z squared, then it is x squared. If you write, you can prove easily. If you have question, you can send message to my WhatsApp number. It's 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. So here you can write it as, pause the video and try to find it by yourself. It's a squared plus ab plus b squared squared. A to the 4 is a squared squared. For example, 2a cube b, you say 2 times this one, like this sport. And for example, 3a squared b squared, because you say 2a squared b squared, and this one squared will be 3a squared b squared. So we have this. Now we can say x is what? So x is a squared plus ab plus b squared. So let me erase this part. So we found x and we wanted to calculate x. Let's write for x. We have what? X equal to a squared. Because x squared is this. If you take a square root from both sides, a squared plus ab plus b squared. A squared plus ab plus b squared. A and b were what? A7, b13. A7, b13. So let's calculate 7 squared plus 7 times 13 plus 13 squared. 7 squared is 49, 7 times 13, 91. 13 squared, 169. So here it's 170 plus 90, 260 plus this, 309. So the answer is 309. If you had question, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.